Oh yeah. That is amazing, that, isn't it, Elijah? Yeah. That's go swimming in that. Oh, it's so fresh in that water. Yeah, we're at the top, then we're at the top, aren't we? We've got no more climbing to do. I know, mate, I know it's a lot. But when we get to the top and get out over the thing, we'll have a rest, yeah? I know it's a lot of walking. Even Daddy, look at Daddy's got his big bag on his back. All the waters and food and stuff in. Towels and coats. Coming up there now, look. No one really needs a toilet, so we can't stop. Come on, mate, you do it so well. Do you want to walk near the car, Elijah? Do you know if we don't get into the water, do you know when we get back to the car, you go in the water there, yeah? You go play, I promise you'll be able to play in the water. Even if you get wet feet, yeah? Because we'll be at the car.
At the end of the walk, we're playing.
Yes, if you don't find anywhere we can play in, you can do it at the end of the walk, yeah?
Yeah, but we need to walk back all down here.
No, we don't. It's a big loop. We don't come back this way. We go around in a big circle. Oh wow, look at this, boys. Careful. Oh look, I found ice cream. Found a shop. No, look, we found a shop. Yeah, come on, we can have it, whatever. Come on, yeah, take it off. Daddy needs to take it off for a minute. Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Come on, there might be a bit of a queue though. Oh yeah, we need ice cream, don't we? I know, same here. Same here. Oh, you could get the ice, you could get the draw to follow you up there, boys. You have an ice cream, innit? Let's go sit down, look, grass somewhere. I'll get ice creams first. What ice cream do you want? I think they're vanilla. No. Oh, it's just vanilla. All they got is vanilla. It's not vanilla. Elijah, do you want vanilla? Do you want vanilla? Do you want to have vanilla? Yeah, I want vanilla. Do you want vanilla? Okay.
Me too.
Okay.
In a flake!
Yeah, I'll get you a plate, don't worry.
Yum!
Yes.
I wear me grey.
Need a wee? Right, we'll go find some. There's no toilets here. Let's go into it. There are further public bins located there.
In a toilet.
We're pretty much at the top now, boys. Should we save this a bit?
Is that water coming from?
That waterfall up there?
There.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Come on,
yeah. Come on, let's go. Wow. What? No, so you can go play it, we'll get closer. But you won't get your feet in the water. Okay? You what? I can see it.
Daddy, can I try to get closer to the waterfall?
You what?
Try to get closer.
Yeah, we can get quite close, yeah.
So we're going to there? We're going to there, like the people?
No, we can't go right under.
Why? Can we go under there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go under.
Yay! Yeah, come on. Careful.
Oh my God!
Come on then, boys. Come on. Sorry. Come on. That is past.
Where's the clip?
That's a cool pipe. Right, come on then.
How are we doing it?
I thought we'll go down there then.
Elijah!
You going down there with him?
No, I want to go like closer.
Right, Elijah, we're going to go to the waterfall, okay? Elijah, stay out. Do not put your foot in the water.
We're going to try to get across there.
Oh, do you want to see it?
Close. I want to get across
I don't
there.
think we can get across there.
Yes, we can. The people get across there.
You don't want to go on that rock, Noah. You'll be petrified.
I'm not go too far then.
Are you going to go up there?
I'm going to there.
Alright, 1 second.
Where's Elijah?
You alright?
Where's he from the car?
He's down there. Clearing all the rocks out. You see him? You're right there. I was just keeping an eye on Elijah. Hold on. Well, he's alright. He's already got his knee wet. I'll leave it while it's fine. You scared, Noah?
I'm kind of a bit scared for that.
You can? Are you scared, Noah?
Yeah, I'm kind of a bit scared for that side one.
Are you?
Side one.
Are you? Go on then. Go on that way.
You go down that
Go on
way.
that way.
I'll see you up there.
Hold up. We good? Oh, some water over here. Elijah will love that. Should we go get him? Alright.
Have a gander, I'll have a gander here.
Elijah! Look! There's a smaller waterfall here that you can put your hands in. There's a smaller waterfall here that you can put your hands in. You come in. You can walk up to it. Look, see it, side here, look. Right in the corner. The smaller waterfall, you can put your hands in it. Yeah? Don't go that way, go back the other way.
Yeah, where you went?
Yeah. Help him up. Be careful. Right, you know it's too steep that way. Go on the rocks, I'll get you. Look, there's a little path. Look, no, it's too steep. Someone's made a path that way. It's too steep. If you fall there. Oh my God! Look behind you. Look behind you. Look how steep that is. Yeah, silly.
Back under there.
There's a waterfall to the left.
Yeah, go through that little gap. I'll go through that little gap. Is he there? Is he there?
Look, the waterfall there. Come on then. Don't get wet though. Careful, boys. Come on, go that way. Yeah, I'm here. Come on then. Why are you going that way? Where are you going? Why you just ask that person to move? Elijah! Wait, which way is he going? Elijah, down here! Elijah! Down here. This way. Got to go this way. Come on, no, give me a hand. Come on. Give me a hand. Why would you go that way? Just go the proper way. It's safer. Go on down there and come back up. Oh, looks like a little doggy from the start. Right, you ready? Step. 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 Step, step, step. Whoa! Right, go on. There you go. That is so cool. How cool is that, Elijah? Pull your sleeves up, Elijah.
I like to get the coat off.
Yeah. To the top. Well then, Elijah, careful because this is the footpath. Elijah, this is the footpath we need to get past. Step out of the way. Look at them. Look there under the waterfall, look. How cool is that? Look there under the waterfall. Big jump, come. Alright, big step into the water. On you go. Well done. I'm here. What are you crawling for? Stand up. You alright? Just want to go to the edge bit? Of course. Come on. Stand up, look. Are you up? You good? You alright? Got them under the waterfall. Do you want to go under there, Noah? Let's go under the waterfall. Yeah. No, we won't bother.
Standing there while they get the boat out. I'm getting very.
Alright.
Good, right.
Nice you got back. Enjoying it here. Back there, she got. There's two more. We'll see what we.
No.
Oh yeah, the gorge is here. See, Elijah, look. You can go across it and have a look at it.
Yeah.
Down here, look, you can go down the steps.
Yeah.
Let's go have a look now.
People get up.
Careful, Elijah. One more. Yeah. Right, let's go.
Fine.
You waving at you?
Okay.
Yeah.
I do one more. We're going like it. Do one more near the car.
Yeah, one more.
Do one more near the car.
Yeah.
Okay, so get the map out.
The map? 2 seconds, let's get up here. Watch this big rock here, Noah. Wow, you're already up. Oh no. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Go on. Oh, we're here now, look. Look at that tree with all the coins in.
Can I get the map out?
Yeah. Careful here, watch where you're walking. Look where you're walking.
Like that.
Like that, yeah.
Hope it's not gold.
You good? Down, look, down. What that is? I am looking down.
I want to see the map.
Oh, here.
Let me see it.
There we go.
So,
And then, Eli.
we always see. Okay.
The last waterfall we need to see is F. Snowfalls.
No. Let me say.
Don't keep walking while you're looking at that. Snowfalls, Elijah, one left. Unless you've gone past it. I'm so impressed with you, mate. Honestly. I'm so proud of you. You're just really impressive how you just get on with it. You don't moan, you don't do anything. Honestly. You're the best. Swear to God. We just that was the E. That's where we're going. E was where we just on the bridge. E was the bridge. I went over the bridge.
Yeah.
That was E. We've got one more waterfall left. And most of it's downhill now. Look, so very careful where we're walking. It's all downhill, so I don't need to carry. Come on. Should we go to the toilets at that cafe? Didn't even think. Oh. What?
Come in next.
We've actually been 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. You've done nearly 5 kilometres. Yeah, probably more. You what?